Now that you have completely installed and signed into your OneDrive account, you want to sync the files from the organization into your computer. So to do that, we're gonna go to the OneDrive app. So we're gonna go to the apps again on the left here, click on OneDrive. And here are your personal files. But what you want is the files from the organization, and that's gonna be the shared libraries. So it's gonna be here on the left. There is a field here on my account, but you might see less or more. So the one you want to sync is the TTI intranet. So you want to click on that, and that's gonna open the cloud storage for the organization. So what you want to do here is you want to click sync. This window will pop up. I'm gonna click choose application, Microsoft, open link. There's already a folder because I have installed previously, but if you get this option, just click use this folder. And that was completely synchronized. So as you can see here, you can see at the bottom here the syncing icon next to the cloud, and there are lots of files being downloaded, and probably because some of them were already previously set to always be available on my computer, so it's trying to download them, but we're gonna change this later. And as you can see, you have now downloaded the intranet. So you have OneDrive, that's gonna be your storage for the organization, and this one is gonna be your personal OneDrive. And you can see I'm logged in on my account here. Make sure you log in with the right account. And that's how you sync your organization OneDrive with your computer.